Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Well channel. Let's see the forecast for Nifty and Bank Nifty for 28th August. Today is a holiday. Let's see. Let me start with Nifty. Markets. Let me start with Nifty. So for Nifty, if you see the technicals, let's quickly see the average of technical. For one day chart, it is in sell side. For 4 hours, again it is in sell side. 2 hours, overall it's sell side. Moving average is sell side. There is some little bit of buy indicator is there. 1 hour is sell side. 30 minutes is also sell side. 15 minutes is also sell side. 5 minutes is also sell side. So overall, the sentiment is bearish, and it is also very clear on daily time frame. If you see the daily time frame, if you see here 24,850 is the break point because for downtrend, because you see this candle which is on 18th August, this was a big gap up, and from here the market went up. So this was the point where it is breaking the trend to downward side. So this was a prediction I did on 26th, 25th. I did this prediction before the day. If you see here, I clearly said Nifty is bearish below 24,850. This was the prediction I said. Exactly when it break 24,850, it came down till 24,700. And again, if you see, I gave the target. If the price cross down to close below 24,850 in any candle, I said the sell for target 3 is 24,715. I clearly wrote this line. In any candle, if it breaks below, the settlement point is 24,715. Correct? You see here, exactly it came and it settled down at 24,715. And yesterday, if you see the yesterday's video, I clearly would have told it is 24,700, and I gave a safe target of 24,750. So it exactly happened the way what we predicted. Now let's go to tomorrow's forecast. Let me delete this pivot, older pivot. Okay, I will take the prediction forecast for tomorrow. Let me copy it. Currently, Nifty is trading at 24,712. And what is important is, if you see here, currently Nifty is at support at 24,695. So exactly, it is very near to the support. Okay, so the current price is at around 24,700. There is an immediate support at 24,695. This is important to know. And second thing is, it has given a very good downside movement yesterday. So there is always a Fibonacci retracement is possible, and Fibonacci retracement is possible up to this pivot range. So Fibonacci retracement, if it reverses above, it can reverse above till 24,775 to 24,800. If you put the Fibonacci retracement, exactly it will come to this point. So when it is going reversal, you should not go into buy side, but the reversal will be up to 24,775 to 24,800. So when we will consider Nifty as bullish, we should consider Nifty as fully bullish only about 24,900. Now the price is 24,712, almost 200 points. You need to wait to confirm bullish about 24,900. See, the upper pivot is 24,800. So about 24,800, it sometimes it can move, but we need to understand 24,850 was a big support and it can act as a resistance also now. So the safe bullish entry will be about 24,900. Okay, 24,900 will come from 1 hour time frame. I think so. Yeah, if you see here 24,894, so 24,900 can be a logical point where Nifty we can consider it for upward movement. You see this gap it has formed at 24,917. So in future, this gap will be filled. Okay, so you see this gap. Yes. So when it is coming up, this gap will be filled in future. So it will come up to fill this gap. So this will be one of the point to remember in future. But for now, uh, uh, for buy entry, you see here, for entry and exit point, I gave bullish above 24,900. But for buy entry, if the price cross above and close above 24,800, I gave one buy entry till 24,850. Okay, so from 24,850 it can take resistance and it can come down. That is why I stopped with first target. Once 24,900 breaks, it will fill this gap up to 24,950. So 50 points only it will raise. So buy side is about 800 and 850 you need to exit, and about 24,900 it will fill this gap for 24,950. Okay, and for sell side we are immediately at the resistance. Okay, if you see immediately it is at the resistance. It came to 24,691 and it reversed back. Okay, so now we need to break below yesterday's low. So this is the point. So we need to break below the yesterday's low. Okay, but again, before breaking this, there is a chance price will go to 24 here, sorry, 24 here, 24 820 830. Okay, here you see this one fair value gap. It can touch here, it can go like this. Okay, this is a pullback. Okay, this is a very technical strategy of pullback. So if this touches, if it goes up and if it breaks down, you can expect a very big movement. Consider that if it is not going up, if it is not going up, it is going from down here. Okay, then you need to go step by step target. If it breaks 24,695, then you need to go for 24,636. Okay, and then you need to wait to break 24,600. Then you need to re-enter with 24,690. Okay, again you need to wait. Again you need to wait to enter 24,590 to 540. So again you need to wait. The reason is because once it touches 24,636, it can always reverse back, retrace back with Fibonacci retracement, or for pullback it will retrace back and it will go like 24,700 and again come down. So that is why it is required for re-entry always. So once 24,636, you need to exit. You need to exit, and price can reverse to 24,700, and it can again come down. Again, when it breaks 24,590, again you can enter. Again you can enter one sell entry for target 24,550. Then wait. and then there will be a pullback. There can be a pullback, and again, if it crosses below 24,500, then you can go for 24,430. You should remember 24,500 acted as a big support and resistance in past. So you need to have a full candle closed below 24,500 to go for this target, because it is almost 130 target. Okay, I carefully see this target from daily time frame. This target is possible, but 24,500 it should confidently close below 24,500, 24,480, 490, like that. It should start coming down, and the next settlement point will be 24,430, and there is a possibility is there. Okay, so this is about Nifty. Let's quickly go to Bank Nifty. I'm trying to find the previous prediction. Where is the previous prediction? No. Yes, I have here. It's the same here for Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, it fall down around 700 points. It is closed below. So if you see here, this was the break-even point. 54,920 was the break-even point. Once it crosses 64,950, it went till 54,350. But on previous day, I predicted target only till 54,920. I predicted target only till 54,920. But it broke 54,920, and it even went 500 points down, because this was not in the targets, because when we predicted, the Trump tariff news was not out. After we predicted, then the 10 Trump tariff news got out, then the market fallen down like this. Okay, so no problem. So we will go for tomorrow's prediction for Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty currently it is 54,450. Okay, if you see here, Bank Nifty is fully bullish only above 54,900. It is almost 500, 450 points. Above 450 points, only Bank Nifty can be considered bullish. Otherwise, no. See, because 54,400, this full candle, it's a 1 day big candle. It went till around 600 points. Where from 55,000 to 54,000 it went, 54,400. So minimum you need to wait above 54,900 to consider Bank Nifty has started bullish. And what is possible now? It is down, so there is no proper price action formed. There is definitely a retracement is there. So Fibonacci retracement can be till 54,635 and 54,730. You see, it is 54,450. The retracement is possible for 200 points. We have to wait, accept this big ranges, because it was a very big fall on yesterday. So we need to wait for these big points to get covered. Okay, let's quickly go for lower time frames. See, even in 4 hours, it is in sell side. Yeah. See, even in 4 hours, it keep on coming down. 3 hours, yes, 3 hours is also, it is coming down. See, it can retrace back till 54,650. Yes, see, this is a fair value gap, and the price can go and touch. See, if this is the price gap, and this candle price can go up and it can touch till 54,630. So what is 54,630? Exactly, this is our pivot. So the pivot and the fair value gap, everything matches. So price can go up until 54,650 and it can come down. Okay, it's important. Let's see 1 hour time frame. See 1 hour time frame also, it is keep on coming down, right? So I don't see any retracement till here. So there is a retracement definitely is expected. See, till this point, till 54,650, the retracement is possible. Yeah, 54,635. So from here, the retracement is possible like this. It will go up until the pivot range, and it can come down also. Yes. So here, if you see, yeah, 54, 54, 545, it can go like this. Okay, this is one chance. So let's go to 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame is also the same. Okay, so there is a pullback possible. First pullback possible is 54,550. You see, 54,550 also there is a pullback possible. Okay, so remember guys, these things. So let's go and see the target points. If the price cross down and sustains below 54,400, now the price is 54,450, wait for 50 more points. Why I ask you to wait for 50 more points? There can be a retracement above and it can come down. So when it crosses 54,400 in 1 hour time frame, you go for target of 54,350. This is just a 50 points target. Okay, and again if it crosses 54,340 in 1 hour candle, then go for next target of 54,260. This is around 80-90 points target. Okay, and 54,260 it can extend to 54,180. So 54,260 definitely 99% it will reach to 54,200. Okay, once it drops down below 54,200, you remember 54,180 is having a good resistance in the past. If you see the daily time frame, you can able to see here. See, from here it goes 54,180. So I'm seeing this candle from here, and again there are different mini candles are there. Okay, 54,180 can be our support at the bottom. And for buy side, current price is 54,450. I don't have any buy side, clear buy side to predict in a very near price, because it is a drastic fall down. There is no pattern formed, so it is very difficult to predict the buy side now. So the safe buy side is above 54,700. Above the pivot, safe buy side is 54,700 for the target 54,780. And if it crosses 55,800, then we can go for 54,900. Okay, I will keep the buy side very simple because it is in a downward trend for now. Okay. Okay, everyone. So let's also see technicals. It will be definitely strong sell only. Everything is sell only. 4 hours is very, very strong sell. Sell, sell, see, new sell, sell. So everything is sell only here also. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you very much. So this pivot, please change this pivot. This pivot is 54, 54, 635. This is for August 28. So this pivot is now brought down to this line. Okay. That's all, guys. Very good. So I clearly explained about the bullish and bullish points, Fibonacci retracement, sell entry and exit points. Respect this entry and exit points. Definitely, it will save you in option buying. Thank you very much, guys. Have a safe trade for tomorrow, 28. Thank you. Bye.